Hello friends, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Penhouse M5BS black body and blue stylus click ball pen. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on this pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here, this is a matte finish black body with blue stylus on the back and a very steady black clip portion. And as it is a metal pen, you can engrave your names or logos in this pen. And here, this is a sample pen and you can engrave your names or logos in this pen. Whatever the content you are giving, you can engrave in the whole pen. And we are having this pens in very good quantity, so you can select how many pens in this. And coming back to the stylus, this will be used in the touch phones, and let me show you that. Hope you can see this. And this is how you can use this. This is not for the writing, and this is just for the swiping purpose and all. If you can use this as your fingers. And yeah, and also we can do this with the box engraving. And this is one of our customers' box. He's asked for his logo to engrave in the box with some names, and whatever the content you are giving, we can do this do engraving in the box also. This is a single pen box, and already there is like this. You can engrave your names on the pen and you can gift it to someone. As we are doing courier also, if you give the order in the mobile phone, if we confirm, we can courier it to your loved one's place. And here, this is double pen box. You can engrave your names or images also, and there will be a good space to hold the pens. And like this, you can hold 2 pens in this. If you want to give someone like this is one of the best gift, and they will choose their personality. This is one of the best thing for that, to choose the personality. If they started to love the pens, if they started the passion towards the pens, they will become that is one of the good thing now. And coming back to this pen, this is a clicking type one. And let me give the writing sample of this. A very good writing, very smooth writing it is. To check the refill, you can screw this part, means thread this part, and this is the refill here. It is a slim jotter refill, and it is a spring. This is the most important thing in any click type or touch type pens, so maintain this carefully. And you can swap this refill into any other colors refill, any other jotter refill. There's a slim one, you can use the thick one also. And for this pair, you can check in our site. We are having jotter refills in different colors and with different brands also. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.